Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Facebook and confirming the app or browser is up to date. This avoids hidden UI differences. Once done, open the top right menu and choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, pick Privacy or run the privacy checkup to see who can see your content. You're doing this to make sections more public, so focus on visibility options. Make sure you're on the right profile if you manage multiple accounts. Then proceed to the specific audience controls. Next, you change the audience settings that control most exposure. First, set future posts to public if you want everything visible or friends for a smaller group. Then use limit past posts to convert old friends-only posts to public, but be careful, this is irreversible in bulk. Also edit each profile field about work, education, and your friends list visibility to public or friends. Once done, review timeline and tagging settings, so posts you're tagged in don't reintroduce. Finally, you must check connected apps and ad-related controls. Go to apps and websites and remove any third-party apps that limit or alter your sharing. Then set profile info visibility to public where you want it seen. Review ad preferences to stop personalized locks or hidden audiences. If something still looks private, clear cache, log out and back in, or try a different device to rule out local UI caching. If problems persist, use Facebook help for account-specific issues. That usually resolves stubborn settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.